Hello, English learners everywhere. Welcome back to English Channel, your favorite place to boost your English skills. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We are so happy to be with you again today for another exciting episode.
That's right, Paul. Today, we're continuing our journey with the incredibly effective shadowing technique. If you joined us last time, you know how powerful it is. If you're new, don't worry. Shadowing is simply listening to English speakers and repeating what they say almost at the same time. It's fantastic for making your pronunciation clearer, improving your rhythm, and understanding English better when native speakers talk fast.
Exactly. It helps you get the feel of the language, the way words connect and flow together naturally. Today, we've prepared a brand new set of useful everyday phrases, perfect for beginners, that you'll hear and use constantly. These aren't part of a conversation between Emily and me. They are standalone sentences that are super practical for daily life.
So get ready to practice your listening and speaking. And before we jump into our first set of phrases, please, if you love learning with us, take a quick moment to subscribe to English Channel. It helps our community grow and we can reach more amazing learners like you.
And of course, please give this episode a big thumbs up if you find it helpful. Your likes mean a lot to us. And don't forget to share it with your friends who are also learning English. Let's make learning English easy and fun for everyone.
All right. Are you ready to warm up your voice and get started? Let's dive into our first set of common phrases.
Okay, everyone. It's time for our first shadowing round. Remember the goal. Listen, then repeat right after us. Try to match our sound, our speed, and our intonation. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try your best to imitate. We'll give you a short pause after each phrase to repeat it.
That's right. Think of it as a fun echo game. The more you echo, the better you'll get. Let's begin. Good morning. Good morning.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
How are you? How are you?
I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
No problem. No problem.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Wonderful job on that first round of shadowing. How did you feel about those phrases? We hope you were able to jump in and repeat them. Now, let's take a closer look at each one. We'll give you some useful tips on how native speakers often pronounce them, focusing on connections, stresses, and tricky sounds.
Exactly. This is where we learn the secrets to sounding more natural. Let's start with good morning. Notice how good and morning can blend. The D in good is often very light, almost like it disappears, especially when we say it quickly. It's not good D morning, but more like goo morning. The or in morning is a common sound in English. Make sure it's rounded. Try it. Good morning.
That's a great example of blending, Paul. Next, thank you very much. This one has two important parts. First, the TH sound in thank. Remember, put your tongue gently between your teeth for this sound. It's a soft, airy sound. Second, very much. The V sound is important. It's a buzzing sound, unlike the W sound. And much has a short U sound, like in cup. Practice. Thank you very much.
Excellent tips, Emily. Moving to excuse me, please. Here, excuse has an X sound that sounds like x or kz, and please should end with a Z sound, not an S sound. Also, notice the intonation. When you ask someone to move, it's often a polite upward tone at the end. Excuse me, please?
Yes, intonation is key for politeness. For I'm sorry. This is a short and common phrase. The I'm is a quick, unstressed sound, and sorry has a clear O sound like in hot, and a light R sound. Try to say it smoothly and with feeling. I'm sorry.
Perfect. And how are you? This is a classic greeting. In fast speech, how are you often becomes how are ya, or even how ya. The R is often reduced. It's about connecting the words, not saying each one separately. Practice linking them. How are you?
That's a super useful one. And the common response, I'm good, thanks. Similar to good morning, the D in good is often very light, and thanks again has that TH sound and a clear S at the end. Make sure you don't forget the S. Thanks.
Absolutely, Emily. Next, can you help me? Similar to other can you phrases, this often reduces to can ya or kun you. The N connects to the Y, and help has a clear L sound. The me is clear and short. Try to sound like you're truly asking for help. Can you help me?
Great one for daily use. And for no problem. This is a simple but very common phrase. Notice the clear O in no. For problem, the O sound is like in hot, and the M at the end is clearly pronounced, closing your lips. No problem.
Short and sweet. Then, see you tomorrow. Here, see you often becomes see ya, and tomorrow has the stress on the second syllable, tomorrow. The O sounds are important here, especially the one at the end, which is a soft ow sound. Practice that rhythm. See you tomorrow.
And finally, for this set, have a nice day. This is a warm farewell. Have-a often blends to have-a. The nice ends with a clear S sound, not a Z, and day has that long A sound like in play. Try to say it with a friendly tone. Have a nice day. And finally, for this set, have a nice day. This is a warm farewell. Have-a often blends to have-a. The nice ends with a clear S sound, not a Z. And day has that long A sound, like in play. Try to say it with a friendly tone. Have a nice day.
Excellent work, everyone. We covered a lot of ground there. Remember, these little details in pronunciation make a big difference in how clearly and naturally you speak English. Don't worry if it's challenging. Keep practicing, and it will get easier.
All right. Are you ready for another round of shadowing? Now that you've picked up some great tips on how words connect and sound, let's put them into practice with 10 more everyday phrases. These are super useful in various situations.
That's right. This is your chance to try out what you've learned. Don't be afraid to make sounds. The more you mimic, the stronger your English muscles will become. We'll give you those pauses again after each phrase. Let's go. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Emily. My name is Emily.
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
I need help. I need help.
How much is it? How much is it?
It's too expensive. It's too expensive.
I understand. I understand.
I don't know. I don't know.
Take care. Take care.
Good night. Good night.
Fantastic effort on that second set of phrases. You're doing great. Now let's break these down and give you more specific pronunciation tips to help you sound even more like a native speaker.
Let's do it, Paul. Starting with, what's your name? This is a core phrase. What's your often blends together, sounding like what's your. The S links to the Y. The name has that long A sound, like in day. Try to connect it smoothly. What's your name?
Great. And the simple response, my name is Emily, or my name is Paul. Here, the is often very light, almost like a quick Z sound. My name's Emily. It links the words together quickly.
Exactly. That linking is so important. For where is the bathroom? Similar to where is the station, where is can become where's. And bathroom has that tricky TH sound again, tongue between your teeth for the first TH. The second TH in room is often silent, just a soft M sound. Bath, room.
Excellent observation, Emily. Next, I need help. Here, the D at the end of need is often very light, almost swallowed, especially before another consonant like help. And help has a clear L sound and then a P sound, closing your lips. I need help. And how much is it? This is a question you'll use all the time. How much is can blend. The CH in much is clear, like in chair. And is it often sounds like is it, because the S links to the it. Try that connection. How much is it?
Perfect, Paul. For it's too expensive. Here, it's is a quick sound. Too has a long oo sound, like in moon. And expensive has the stress on the second syllable. Expensive. Make sure the V sound is clear, like a buzzing sound. Expensive.
That's a great vocabulary word too. And I understand. This is a phrase you want to say clearly. Understand has the stress on the last syllable. Understand. Make sure the ND at the end is clear. Understand.
Absolutely. And I don't know. This is very common. The T in don't is often not pronounced, or it's a very light glottal stop, meaning you stop the air in your throat briefly. So it sounds like I don't know. The K in no is silent. Practice dropping that T. I don't know.
That's a big one for natural speech. For take care, this is a friendly farewell. Take has a long A sound, and care has that rounded R sound. Say it with a warm, friendly tone. Take care.
And finally, Paul, good night. Similar to good morning, the D in good is often very light or silent, and night has a long I sound, like in light. It's not a strong T at the end, often a quick stop. Good night.
Amazing job, Emily. These little insights into how words are actually spoken by natives can really transform your English. Keep practicing these sounds. Connect the words, and you'll sound more natural in no time.
Wow! That was another fantastic session of Shadowing Power. We covered so many useful everyday phrases and gave you some really practical tips to improve your pronunciation and fluency. We hope you're feeling more confident with your English speaking skills.
Absolutely. Remember, the shadowing technique is a wonderful tool to keep practicing on your own. You can use any English audio, your favorite song, a short video, another podcast episode, and just try to echo what you hear. The more you do it, the better you'll get.
That's right. Consistency is super important. Even a few minutes every day can make a huge difference over time. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on trying to imitate the sounds and rhythms. That's how you build muscle memory for speaking English.
Before we go, please, if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, we have a very important request. Make sure you are subscribed to English channel. Your subscription helps us create more valuable content for you.
And please give this episode a big thumbs up. Your likes encourage us and help more people discover our channel. And, of course, please share this podcast with anyone you know who is learning English. Let's help everyone speak English with more confidence.
Finally, we'd absolutely love to hear from you. Please leave us a comment below this episode. Tell us which of these phrases was the most challenging for you to shadow. Or what was your favorite pronunciation tip from today's episode? Your feedback helps us understand what you need most.
That's all for today, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us on English Channel. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.